Hopes he's okay now. He's putting his heart and soul into digging that hole. Has he peed it all this month? This maybe happened on a rainy day with thunder and lightning. He hates loud noises, so refused to go outside. He's too young to be watching Cardi, he ain't even potty trained. Golden Retriever with Chihuahua energy? All bark but no bite, this is how they play. If you don't think Golden has a husky vibe, watch this. Things you have to give up if you want a Golden Retriever. First one, you don't have personal space. And most of your things will be stolen anyway. The next is you will never have privacy in the bathroom. One million times yes, in clean floors is which you never have. Your clothes is never black. What happened? That scared me to death. At first I thought the dog died. Dogs are the reason why humans are able to see and feel pure love in this world. Goldens are so gentle even when they are spazzing out. Wait, is she supposed to wash dog's toys? She immediately regretted her decision and tried to stop the washer. This Golden's like, I couldn't wait to lay down in the mud. Then he goes from Golden Retriever to Chocolate Labrador. She's like, seriously, you're interrupting my nap for this? Yes.